Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix phone number unavailable on iMessage and FaceTime. First, open your settings, tap General, then go to Software Update. Make sure your device is up to date. Next, go back and check date and time, enable set automatically, and confirm your time zone is correct. Now return to settings and tap on FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off, then back on. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Do the same steps in messages under settings. Toggle iMessage off, then back on. And that's it. That's how to fix the phone number unavailable issue on iMessage and FaceTime. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.